So hi everyone. So we have been doing mathematics in parallel. So I thought of doing algorithms in parallel also, because we have been doing mathematics for a long time. So we have done till greedy, right? So the next algorithm type is dynamic algorithm. Then we will be able to say that algorithm is done for us. So greedy algorithm till greedy algorithm, I have done all the algorithms. I hope you have watched those videos, and the questions also I have done. Okay, so now if you have any more queries, you can always mail me. This is my mail ID, both SUDESHNA135@gmail.com. okay, so if you have any more queries, you can always mail me. Okay, so if you love watching my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so now let's start with dynamic programming. Okay, so we have done greedy, then before that divide and conquer. So this is introduction to dynamic programming. After this video we will see more of this algorithms, matrix and multiplication, LCS, everything we will see. So this is just an introductory video. So programming here means tables. Okay, so I hope you have already I watched this recursion videos, or if you just I have uploaded lots of recursion videos. So just if you haven't watched, I hope you are acquainted with the term recursion, because that will be needed here. Okay, so recursion is needed. How dynamic programming works is, here we have this algorithm for Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series, I hope you know, 1 1, then 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 1 3, then 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 5 8, like this. This will go on. The previous two, first it will start with 1 1, then the the previous of this 2 will be added, then 2 is coming, 2 of, then now next 2, this 2 is added, now it is 3, then 5, how 5 is coming, 2 and 3 are added and coming as 5. So like this it will go on. So we have taken how this algorithm works, like Fibonacci series. I think in recursion also I have taken this example and discussed it elaborately. Sorry. So like this, let's see the program here. So function n, if n equals to 0, return 0. If nothing is there, return 0. If n equals to 1, return 1. The first will be taken as 1. Now next will go on. If n minus 1, n minus 2, it will continue adding the function. So how it is working and all, I have already done in recursion. It's just to take an example of dynamic programming. We are doing this. Okay, and dynamic programming always does follows bottom up approach. Okay, like in top down approach was there in divide and conquer, like this. So recursion, how it works, let's say n here is, one second, my mother is shouting, I need to tell her hi. So I just told her to go in another room and shout out. So we all know, right, when we are working from home and all the chaos. So yeah, I am also in middle of this. So my mother is just, I hope that is not recorded in the video, that only my concentration was going. So now anyway, let's start. So here n equals to 5. Okay, we have taken n as 5. So now we have to draw this recursion tree. Okay, so now here n of 5, then what is what? It was 5. So now n minus 1 is called, n minus 2 is called, and addition of this 2. So now f4, f3 is called, then again recursively it will call. Okay, so like this it will go down, and you can see this f2 is coming as f1 and f0. So this will both give as 1, and it will return as 1 only. One second, I think I will do some wrong here. Yes, it was correct. Okay, I was thinking something else. So f0 is 0. Now f will be stored as 1. Okay, so now the sub problems are not recursively solved again and again. It will be stored like somewhere that this 2 is coming as 1. So when there are 2 elements, it's coming as 1. Okay, so like this. So once it is solved, then 2 plus 1, this is 1, right? 2 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Like this it will be stored in program. So like this will go on. We will not recursively solve again and again. It's like memorization. Okay, we will do this memorization. Okay, so like we will not recursively do the question again, this recursive functions again and again, because these two will be again used here, here and here. So this is just coming down to exponential function to order of n. Okay, so this is an exponential function. Now this is just some order of n. Okay, so this, in this way it will be helpful to do by dynamic programming. So dynamic programming will not be able to solve every question, but the question it can solve, it will give you the good time complexity. Okay, the best time complexity. So like this. So there are examples. First we will start with matrix chain multiplication. Okay, then we will do LCS and all. So matrix chain multiplication is our first dynamic programming. We will do one by one. I hope this is understandable. Even if it's not, with the more examples it will be clear to you. Okay, so keep watching.